What's going on, everybody? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. And wow, what a last 45 minutes it has occurred here in the market because Trump has announced a 90-day pause on tariffs. And the impact that we have seen in the market has been monumental, up almost 7% on the SPX as of now. That is holding. And I wanted to put this video together rather quickly to share with you what the news is, what has happened, and how this potentially is going to impact the markets. Let's check it out. So as you can see, here's the headline from a Reuters report on TradingView, and it reads, Wall Street leaps after Trump announces a 90-day tariff pause. And you can see here that Trump declared this 90-day pause on reciprocal and 10% tariffs that he unveiled initially last week. But here's the one catch. He raised duties on China to 125%. Just reading on here, China on Wednesday imposed additional levies of 84% on all U.S. goods from April 10th. So that was announced this morning. But really, why this is significant is because when this was announced, we saw a massive, significant move in the markets. And if you follow me on YouTube, if you've been watching my shorts, I posted a video this morning that said, if there is some type of deal completed, if negotiations are successful, then you would see a massive rally in the markets. This is similar to that. While it's not a deal, it does offer some relief, and we saw a push higher. Now, how long can this continue to push? Can this be sustained? Let's take a look at the chart and see where we are at right now. All right, so here's a look at the SPX right now, and it is 2:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can see that the SPX is at 53.86. If we just hop over here to the daily chart, we'll be able to look at this in relation to the moving averages, but we're back above that 100 SMA on the weekly, and right now above that 10-day exponential moving average. And we still have quite a ways to go to get back up to the July 2024 all-time high support in the 50 SMA on the weekly, but relief has come into the markets. Now, what we have to see is, can this be sustained? Because if the last few days have taught us anything, that these relief bounces that we've seen have been sold off rather quickly. We saw that yesterday when we were up about 200 points, and then the market got smacked down. So we're going to want to see this be sustained, if this push can hold, and look for more news to start trickling in about this pause, this 90-day pause. Which countries have actually reached out, have started negotiations. And when we get more clarity and definition around that, we will probably see continued increases in stock prices. But for right now, this is a massive, massive move. And just look, we're up 7.82% here on the SPX. If you happen to be in a trade, and if you caught one of these moves, you had a significant gain. So hopefully some of you were in a position to capture one of these rides higher. But again, 90-day pause on tariffs. Let's see how this persists, if we can get some more clarity. But a big move that is making lots of people happy out there in the markets today.